Other people react to this car in a wild way. We're driving through Margate with my wife and our family. A lady ran after the car. As we stopped the car, she just opened the cargo door and climbed into the car with us and said, just drive. So people just go completely crazy for these iconic buses and crew cabs and single cabs. It's just one of those crazy things. I've been to a number of car shows and we've parked at the crew cab next to a 2 million rand Ferrari. And people just come looking at the crew cab all day long. They don't even take notice of the Ferrari. The very first moment that I actually saw the car in Zimbabwe, I was expecting worse, because you're always worried about the condition, how much rust, etc., etc. And when I walked into the yard and it was parked around the corner of the person's house, I just knew that this was going to be my car. I ran up to the vehicle and I went and had a look at the car, and the earlier the bus, the better it is, in my opinion. What shocked me the most is that, and I had a look and I could see that they weren't aftermarket, they were genuine factory fitted Safari windows. And it's got the small round tail lights, the bullet indicators, and that was my dream crew cab. And there it was in front of my eyes. And I overpaid for it, but I knew that that was the car that I really wanted. So in December 1959, VW launched the first crew cab. This car is a December 1959 crew cab, which makes it one of the very first ever made in the world. Only made 10% of split windows in the world were in right-hand drive. So to have a December 1959 crew cab, right-hand drive, is very unique, and I've got the oldest crew cab in South Africa. So I would estimate that I took probably 9 months to complete the full restoration with my guys working on it full time. I wanted it to look stock, but I wanted to do changes to suit my character. So it looks beautiful. It's got the original look. I painted in the original color that it came out from the factory, which was light gray. A few little tweaks to it, and it's just such a versatile car that I love. I've had people come in here and make me serious offers, close to R1 million, and I've always turned it down. Maybe I could consider it in years to come, but at this very moment, it's a big no. My favorite driving ritual is driving out of the workshop, turning left, and I drive along the road. There's the bananas on the left-hand side, sugar cane on the right-hand side, a nice twisty road, a couple of up and down hills, so you get a nice feel of the car. It's just beautiful just to feel this car. I open the front Safari window so I have the wind blowing in my face. I crank the music, and I just feel like I'm in paradise.
Hello and welcome to the end of the video. This is your opportunity to click stuff. I'm not going to ask you to click it like everyone else does. I'm not that guy. I mean, we're all adults here. Just, click if you want, or don't. I mean, it's totally fine. I'm fine with it.